Okay, trade example on GU. So doing these examples so that I can practice and get better at my strategy. So today is the 29th of August, September, and we do the 20-day look back. It's then the 1st of September, which is over there. We mark out our highest high and lowest low in that period, and we know we have liquidity. This is the range that we're trading in. So when we are down below or close to the bottom of the range, we just look for continuations and follow the momentum towards the downside. So we can clearly see the 4 hour is in a clean downtrend. That's easy to identify. And we just need to replay towards where we were this morning so we can identify the setup. So this is where we started out, and we know liquidity down below, liquidity in the imbalance, and the order block over there. So we have to mark it out. We have order block there, and then imbalance there as well. So those are our areas, looking for price to then just continue the trend towards the downside. On the 1 hour, we identify the same levels. We have our imbalance over there. We can refine the order block to that candle, and then we have our area we would look for a short. We can then look on the 50-minute. First of all, on the 1 hour, we note the impulse leg. This is the last impulse leg from the high towards the low, and we're looking for the first imbalance order block or all high low within that area, and we can note this is the first area that is our imbalance. So also that's then on the 50-minute. You can also look at our Asian session, which is there from Asian session is trending towards the upside. So when Asian session is trending, we look for a 50% retracement into 50% of the Asian session pullback for continuation towards the upside. You can look for this on the 5-minute, and we can identify there is our last order block before the big push towards the upside, where we have imbalance and a clean structure break towards the upside. We can also see that the range low to high, this order block imbalance is in the 50%, so it is a go ahead. We can take that trade. I just want to make this a bit cleaner and clearer. Make this black. Or dark gray, at least. Okay. Save as theme. Okay, looking for price to go below 50%. There's our area. So we could have taken then the long, stop loss below, take profit at the high for that to then reach that area. There we have the trade playing out. Now we have to also align this. So this is London session. You can mark it out there. London session trading, and then we're looking from 2 o'clock onwards. Well, now we're looking for price to give us a reaction, give us an entry on the 5 or 3 minutes for price to then continue lower. Because on the 1 hour, as we said, we're looking for price to reach this area. Then we're looking to go short because we are in a liquidity area. So when we have price impulsing towards the downside, we're looking for that pullback into 50% and then a continuation further. And first of all, imbalance, followed by an order block, and then previous high and low. So in this area, we can look on a 3 minute just to see if we get a confirmation entry. Okay, here we have a structure break, then potentially this area, and then stop loss should be above the high. You can see all of those created trend line liquidity. See if we got a tag in. Just make sure the zone is set. There's the zone. So if we just placed it below, there would have been the tag in. See price then continue down lower. We have accumulation box, which is a good sign for price to continue towards the downside with targets of the sell side liquidity below this low. And this then is at York, open exactly 2 o'clock. So that in a nutshell is how we trade. Let's just see what happened to price further. Rest of the day continuing to drop even further, but that is the trade on gold.